do you teach success, self-confidence, and leadership? We have the answer.
Our classes have active learning and creatively engaging activities.
Most schools teach to the test.
We offer a customized curriculum to challenge each student.
Kids need more than just tests.
Your child has the rest of their academic life to attend regular school.
Kids need things like daily academics,
Just the right amount of reading, writing, math, science, and more.
daily dance,
Learn sequencing through ballet, tap, jazz, hip-hop, and tumbling.
daily music,
Singing, movement, and instrumentation for cognitive development.
daily theater,
Artistic experiences open learning pathways.
and daily art.
Our graduates are leaders in their next school experience.
See the difference in person. Schedule a free discovery day. Call us at 972-346-8236.